In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset OneDrive. If your OneDrive is stuck syncing, the icon has gone missing, or files just aren't updating, a quick reset can usually get everything back on track. Don't worry, this process only restarts the OneDrive app on your PC. Your files in the cloud stay safe, and local files in your OneDrive folder remain intact. Start by opening the Run dialog. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This little box lets you launch programs and commands directly, which is exactly what we need. In the Run box, paste this command exactly as I say it, including the space before the slash, %local app data %+ Microsoft plus OneDrive plus OneDrive exe /reset. Then press enter. If you typed it correctly, you'll notice the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar disappear. That means OneDrive is closing and resetting its local settings. Give it about 60 seconds. During this time, OneDrive clears and rebuilds some of its internal configuration, which often resolves sync glitches. If you see a message that says Windows cannot find the file, it just means your OneDrive app is installed in a different location. In that case, repeat the run command and try one of these paths instead, again including the space before reset. See Program Files, Microsoft OneDrive plus OneDrive.exe reset. If that still doesn't work, try C plus Program Files, x86, Microsoft OneDrive plus OneDrive.exe reset. One of these will match where your system keeps the app. After the reset runs, OneDrive usually restarts on its own. Watch for the cloud icon to reappear in the taskbar. If it doesn't come back after about a minute, open your Start menu, type OneDrive, and launch the OneDrive app manually. That's all you need to do. Once it's open, you may see it say signing in, processing changes, or syncing. That's normal as it rechecks your files and reconnects. Depending on how many files you have, this might take a little while, and you could notice some temporary CPU or network activity as it catches up. If the icon still doesn't show up, double check that you ran the command with the correct path and that you included the space before /reset. Also, give it that full minute. Sometimes it just needs a moment to relaunch, and that's how to reset OneDrive quickly and safely. When the cloud icon shows up to date, you're good to go and your sync should be functioning normally again.